My name is Alyson Scott. I'm president of Fredon Corporation. We are a precision machining company located outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in Mentor. The shift in manufacturing from the United States outside the country for many, many years, everybody had the narrative that manufacturing companies are not good, secure places to work, that those companies will shut down, lay you off, go overseas and find a plant there. And I think that has trickled down not just in the idea of thinking of manufacturing as a strong future career industry, but I think it's also trickled to the education, which is what really drives us and our ability to get a skilled workforce. So I think having that narrative being negative for so long has had a trickle-down effect to even the workforce development initiatives. I think it's changing right now. I think it's a really great time to be in manufacturing. I think that there is more respect in the educational environment, opportunities for kids in high school and junior high and elementary school to explore careers in manufacturing, and I think it's a great time and a great field to be in. I think it's a very exciting time for manufacturing. I think that a lot of the additive manufacturing is going to be more commonplace, especially as time goes on and they have the ability to run through testing and things like that. And you know, that's a technology that kids are familiar with even now. I think that the more technical, innovative things, we're going to see a resurgence, I think, of the government supporting that from a federal level to really push that innovation, you know, go back to NASA and really restart programs or new programs and really put a lot of effort into advancing manufacturing and technology. The important part is to listen to the manufacturers. We have a wonderful community in the members of our government. In Ohio, I hope that other states have that same wonderful nurturing in the sense of tax credits and incentives and training grants. And it really makes it easier for somebody to be able to offer training to their manufacturing employees at a reasonable cost. Things like that would really aid in furthering the education and the skill level that people need to go into manufacturing these days. I think it's exciting. The startups, they have an idea and, you know, they're disruptors. They follow their passion, their idea. They're not jaded by anything that has happened, you know, years before. I think it's important if you're a startup to really find a mentor, somebody that has been in the industry for a long time, maybe in the same space that you're in or you're trying to break into, maybe the same industry or maybe something totally different, but somebody who can give you the basics of how to run a business and really show you how to prepare for a strong future. Somebody who's been in business for a long time and knows those pitfalls so that you can really appreciate everything just beyond the excitement of the technology. There's all this other stuff that you have to worry about. And it's better to know it and have somebody guide you through that instead of being surprised and have that be a detriment to your company when you're in startup mode.